Want to quit your job and work for yourself? Most freelancers fail in their first year, but not if you use the right A tools. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to start freelancing online and land your first clients. First, pick a skill that's actually in demand. A writing, graphic design, social media management, and video editing are hot right now. Use A tools like ChatGPT to research what clients are paying for in your area. Don't pick something random, pick something people will actually hire you to do. Narrow it down to one specific skill. You need samples to land clients. Here's the secret: use the tools to create your portfolio quickly. Need samples to Midjourney for design, ChatGPT for writing samples, or Synthesio for video content. Create 5-10 strong pieces. Don't overthink it. Just make something that shows your skill. Clients care about results, not where it came from. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Optimize your profile with keywords like AI-powered or fast delivery. Set competitive rates for your first 5 clients. Quality beats price. Use iTools to write professional proposals faster. Respond quickly to job postings. Speed wins on these platforms. Your first client is the hardest. The rest gets easier. Once you're getting gigs, use AI to work smarter, not harder. Zapier automates tasks. ChatGPT's up your work and Calendly manages scheduling, one-range task. Spend less time on admin, more time delivering results. Higher quality work means better reviews, more clients, and better rates. Let AI handle the boring stuff. Hit that subscribe button and like this video, comment below with your first freelance skill. Let's grow together.